My name's Amaris Powell. I did the PLA course, Education and Training Level 3, and I went to Michelson Community College in Ely. I found out about the PLA course from the university that I was currently studying. My tutor sent me through an email saying that Cardiff and Vale was giving courses out, and if we were interested that we could apply through this website. So how I found applying, it was really simple, it was really easy. And you just went onto the website and it tells you everything that exactly you needed to do. And if there was any queries, there was obviously a section there that you can get in contact with someone and they can help you through it. So it was a really easy process for me. It's really simple. I found the course really fun. It was really easygoing, but it was very informative. I loved how the course was set out, how each session was set out. It was my first time doing a course online, so I was a bit adamant about doing it at first, but my tutor, she was really, really lovely. She helped everyone get through it. It was a breeze. It was really calm. It wasn't like being in a classroom and like, that's the teacher, I'm the student. It was very like ebb and flow, like we fed off each other. I just loved everything that we learned. It just didn't feel like, because I just came straight out of university, and then going into this course, it was nice to know that what I was learning kind of fed into this. One of the modules that we did was learning about how people learn, which I really enjoyed because I found out that I'm a visual and kinesthetic learner. So I can be a bit fiddly at times, and auditory learning isn't my best strong suit. So I liked how she was showing us how to be able to connect with each and every person in the room, whether we're teaching, whether we're presenting, whatever we may be doing, that each student feels like they can learn, because everyone learns differently, and I just thought that was really good to know. I think the skills I've learned in this course is really going to help me with my future aspirations, because it's really showed me how to be inclusive within a classroom, and how that each student that comes to the classroom learns differently, sees things differently, and that's okay. Like I really learned that being different is actually not really a bad thing. I think like going through schooling and being a student, you kind of feel like you kind of have to do everything the same, but understanding that if you learn differently, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just finding a different avenue and a way for you to learn more effectively so you can get the best out of your education. I think one of the things that I really enjoy doing is like working with young people. I did theatre. I love doing everything unconventional. My mother thinks I'm a rebel in that kind of sense, but I just think I always loved like trying to find new ways in how students could learn, and just letting them know that how they learn isn't actually a problem. It's just finding a way for them to learn effectively that works for them. Like you can still get to the destination, but everyone's path and journey is going to be different. It doesn't have to necessarily be the same. So that's, I think, what's going to really, really help me. And just getting like key informations and like resources and how to do all different kinds of things, like how to run my own class, how to write my own teacher plan. I used to think that would have been the most boringest thing in the world, but there's templates for that. So I'm just like, I never have to write it by myself. So it's that, and I just love that my tutor was there, and she's still on hand now. She even said if we ever needed anything, we could always get in contact, and she would help us out with that. So I think that's going to be really beneficial to what I want to do in the future. If someone asked me if they should do a PLA course, I would tell them definitely do it. It's not like a conventional classroom, so you feel like you're just going to be sat there and have someone just spouting information at you. It's actually very informational. It's actually really interesting, and you get to pick to do something that you're really interested in doing. And there's so many PLA courses available. Like you don't have to do the course that I did, which is education and training. You can do courses in business. You can do courses in hospitality. Like you can do courses in accounting. Like there's so many different courses, and it's catered around you. So the time is also catered around you. It's done like various times throughout the year, so it's not just one time and then you kind of miss it. And as well as the staff, they're really friendly, that they're very open to like give you information that you might need. They're also there to help you in any way possible. There was moments when I was doing the course that I felt like I wasn't going to be able to finish things on time because I also work on the side, and that wasn't an issue, that wasn't a problem. There's a flexible time frame, so I would definitely say definitely do it. I mean, in the meantime, if you have downtime, you get to add another something on your belt, you know, and something that you're interested in. And like, it's endless. Like this, you can always do another course if you really enjoyed it. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I would definitely say 100% go for it.